guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the glue dispensing gun with the CG500 and the CG10 glue. First thing we need to do is prep the gun. We need to slot in this little black ruler which helps to push the glue through. What you need to do is hold up this latch. As you can see, it picks up the mechanism on the inside. Whilst you're holding that up, you need to slot in the ruler. Make sure it's the smooth side up and not the rigid side up. You can see that side's got ridges, so that needs to be facing down. So you push that all the way in, all the way to the back until you can't go any further. Make sure you've got the latch up whilst you're doing this, otherwise you won't be able to get the ruler through. You can let go of the latch once you've slot that in. Now what we need to do is pop in the glue. So I'm going to start with the CG500. So with the glue you get your glue and you get 2 dispensing nozzles. Right, so to attach the glue, you'll see on the glue you've got a little notch there which just lets you know which side needs to be facing upwards. So you have this little flap which if you pick that up, you simply slot in the glue, make sure that notch is on top, push it all the way in, and you can just drop the flap on the top. Now we just remove the cap on the front. We're gonna screw on the nozzle. Sometimes it takes a minute, there we go. And then make sure you twist that in to make sure that's secure. So that's your glue already prepped and ready to be used. Now I'm just going to give you a little demonstration. You have to remember the first 10 centimeters of the glue, we recommend you don't use it because it won't be mixed properly. So if you just give the gun, you'll hear the little clicks as it's pushing the glue. You can see the glue coming through. Don't know if you can see that very well on the video. Just push that through. It does get a little bit tough. Just remember the first 10 centimeters we recommend you do not use as it's not mixed the glue properly. Now what you can do to actually apply the glue to whatever surface you want to apply it, you can use some glue syringes. Let me just show you how we can add the glue into these. Comes with lots of tips. I'm just going to pop the tip on there. There we go. If you pull out the back, what you can do is you can pipe the glue straight into the syringe. Like so. Now we can use a syringe to get precise application of the glue. But I won't need it. You just have to remember that once the glue has been mixed and you won't be able to use this syringe again because it'll harden in there and there's no way to clean that out. So you will have to throw away the syringe and use another syringe for the next application. So if you haven't used up all of your glue in the glue gun, what you can do is take off the nozzle. The nozzle you can't use once the glue has set inside of it. So that's why we do have some replacement nozzles that you can buy on our website. So if you're not going to be using the glue again and you have some left over, just remember to screw on the cap on the front, lift up the latch. What you have to do is pull on the ruler on the back, make sure it's all the way back, and then lift out your glue. And you can use that for the next time you have a project. Now what I'm going to do is show you the CG610, which is slightly different. So in the glue, again, you get your glue and you get your 2 nozzles. Now with the CG610, you'll notice one side is bigger and one side is smaller. Again, it's got the little notch which lets you know which side needs to be facing up. So make sure that goes in that way, the notch facing up. There we go, and you just slot that back down. If we take off the front, get a fresh nozzle. It always takes me a couple of minutes to find, there we go, and give that a twist to make sure that's securely on there. There we go, and again you'll hear the little clicks as it pushes the glue through. Remember, the first 10 centimeters do not use. As you can see, the consistency of the CG10 is a lot thinner. So this we recommend to be used when you're gluing down stones for jewelry making essentially, whereas the CG10 you can use that on any hard surfaces, glue, wood, plastic, but definitely do not use that on fabric as it will dry really hard and make your fabric stiff. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below on what you would like us to do next.